Hello, in this next tutorial we will be showing you how to add a new product to your website. Upon logging in, we will be greeted with our dashboard. Next we will use our mouse cursor to locate products and we will select Add New. Next we will allow the page to load before we continue. As you can see, the page is loaded and the first thing we are asked is to add a new product. Here we will insert the title of the product. For this tutorial, I will simply be calling it a test product. For the time being, we will highlight this, we will copy it, and we will scroll to where we have our Rank Math SEO. Rank Math SEO, or Search Engine Optimization, is extremely important as this is what Google will use to index this product within its search results. Therefore, we will simply paste the title for the product, and we will hit enter. We will cover more of this in a bit. Moving back up to the top, we've inserted our title. Next, we can insert a description. However, this will be the long description, and scrolling down, we have our short product description. Please note that the short product description is the description that will appear next to the product. Let me explain that to you with some visuals. We'll simply go to the shop page. And we will select a random item, and you can see that we have this text here. Please note that this is the short description text that appears on the right hand side. Going back to our product, here is where we would enter the description of the product, not at the top. So here we would enter it. Please ensure you have your spelling correct. Now that we have entered our description, we will scroll back to the top. To review, we have inserted our title, which we copied for our SEO purposes, and we have inserted our short product description. Next, we have come to our product data. Here, under General, we have our regular price. For this, I will set the regular price to 100. However, I will set the sale price to 90. Moving on to our inventory, here we can I have the option to add a stock keeping unit, choose to manage the stock, change the stock status, as well as choose to sell the item individually. Next, in our shipping, we can add the weight, the dimensions, as well as add shipping classes. And our link to products, we can leave this. Our attributes, we can leave this as that is only used for variable products. And in our advanced section, we can add a purchase note or change the menu order. To get more options, is just for extensions and we do not need to worry about this. Now that we have inserted our price, we will scroll down and we will see that we have already done our short description. Moving forward, we have come back to our Rank Math SEO. As you can see, we have the focus keyword of the test product inserted, and we are able to add more keywords by simply inserting them here. Please note that these keywords need to appear or be relevant to the product. In this case, we will insert the name of the website. Please ensure your spelling is correct. Once we're happy, we will simply hit enter. Please note that we have the option to add up to 5 focus keywords, and we can see that the score has jumped to 55 out of 100. By selecting one of the focus keywords, we will see that the options below will appear. Here it will tell us all the errors and how we can improve on our score. We will select our test product, and we can see that we do not have the focus keyword in our meta description. By opening our snippet, we will see that we have our description here. However, we do not have the title. So here we will insert test product. And we will simply select close edit. Please note that there is a character limit and we do not want to exceed that. We will select close editor. And we can see that our score has already improved from 55 to 57 by just including test product and Ethulo creative in our meta description. We will go through all of these points to try and achieve the best score possible. Once we have completed that, we will scroll to the top and we will start on the right hand side. Here we can see the status of the product, the visibility which is set to public, as well as when the product will be published. We can change this and we can change it to a previous date, meaning that we have posted this product in the past, or we can actually schedule it for a future date, meaning that this product will only be available on the date selected. I'll cancel that, and we will continue. Here we can see that there's another score rating for SEO, and we will continue. Next, we'll come to our product categories. Here, we can scroll through the list to choose where this product must be inserted. For example, if this is a children's item, we will select it as children. However, if it's also a custom-made item, my apologies, that's a bad example. If it's also a home decor item, we will select it as well, and this product will appear in both of these categories. We also have the option to add a new category. By selecting add new category, we will insert the name of the category, and we can choose to whether or not it will have a parent category. For example, if this category was part of the home decor selection, we will simply select the parent as home decor. However, I will remove this as we do not want to add more categories. Next, we have come to our product tags. Our tags are also very important, as this is also what Google will use to index this product within its search results. For the product tags, I would suggest we use the product title yet again. We will select and copy. We will right click and we will paste and we will add it. Next, we can go back to our SEO section and we can add all the keywords that we have used here. For this, I would suggest that we add a decent amount of tags. However, they still need to be relevant to this product. We cannot go and add tags that pertain to key rings when we are selling a hat. Next, we have come to our product image. Here we will simply choose set product image, and by default we are taken to the media library where all of our images are already loaded. Here we can either choose an image we wish to insert, or we can choose to upload a new file by selecting files and browsing the desktop. For the time being, we will simply choose a product that is already loaded. In this case, we will choose this blue dress and select the image. We will see the image will appear here, and next we have the option to add a product gallery. For this tutorial, I'll simply be adding the second blue dress. We have selected and we have seen that the image has been added. We can remove this image by selecting the delete image icon. Now that we've finished that, we will run through it one more time to ensure we have done everything. We have inserted our title. We have inserted a long description if required, which will appear below the image. We have done all of our product data, including our pricing. We have included our short description, which will appear on the side of the product. And we have gone through our SEO and have achieved the best possible ranking. Scrolling back to the top, we have changed our publish options. We have selected the categories we wish to post into. We have included the tags, as well as the product image and the product gallery images if we have. Now that we are happy, we will simply select publish. I'm making note that I place this into children and home decor. Going back to the bucket hat that we used for example, we will go to the shop and we will select the children category, and we should see the test product. There you go. We can see the test product, and it has a sale badge, and we can see the old price and the current price. By going into viewing that product, we can see the image appears, and we have our short description on the right hand side. We have our old price, and we have our current price, as well as all the tags and the categories. Scrolling down, we have our reviews and related products. Now that we are happy with this product, I will go back and I will show you how to remove this. To do this, we will go to all products and we will allow the page to load. As you can see, our test product is the latest product added, and by hovering over it, we simply have the option to trash. As you can see, we have trashed it, and now we have a new option here showing us that we have one product in the trash. By selecting trash, we will simply hover over and delete the product permanently. That is how you would add a product to your website.